Hi, this is Nathan Reedy. Today I'm going to show you two videos about Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a website that we're going to use to record astronomy observations. So today we're just going to use it to say hello to the class, but in the future we're going to use it as you guys record certain things in the night sky that I'm going to ask you guys to go look at. So we'll talk about that later, but today we're just going to use Flipgrid to say hello to all of your classmates. So to get to Flipgrid, the easiest way if you're on your computer is probably go to Google Classroom. Under classwork and course material, I have the Flipgrid. And so the bottom of course information, you'll see Astronomy Flipgrid. If you open that, you'll see a link. There will be an assignment under week 1. You guys might already see that assignment. Right now, you might be looking at that assignment. It'll be 1.1b. Right now, that's not posted. But here it is, Flipgrid, and you can either click on this link, or if you use your phone for Google, if you don't use your computer for Google Classroom, you can also just go to flipgrid.com, and Reedy7759 is the code I have for my grid. So I'm going to open this link. You guys have Google accounts for your student accounts, so log in with Google. And then if you don't see your student account here, it might be a good time to click that use another account button. Otherwise, just click on your name or click on your student account, one that ends at mogoodwillexcel.org. And here we go. So astronomy 4th period, that's us. This is our grid. And here you see a picture of, well, I'll let you guys see if you can figure out who that is. Anyway, so welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus button below. Oh wait, hang on a second. Oh yeah, we're on the right spot. It says tap the green plus button below to open the Flipgrid camera, then record a short video, and then ask you to do a few things. Say hello, tell us your name, tell us your desired career path, share a fun fact about yourself, and attach a random photo. So when it says attach a random photo, just share something random, keep it appropriate. But anyway, and I'm about to show you how to do those things. And by the way, I already made a video. Here's my video that I used on my phone. So you can watch that if you want to see a model kind of what you should see. So when you're ready to record, you can click on this big green plus button to record a response. Then it's going to ask you for some permissions. This website wants to use my camera and my microphone. Well, I can't really do anything until I allow that permission. I'm not sure if you're going to see my camera. Yeah. So I'm not going to be able to use my camera because I'm already recording my face. Let's see here. Let me see if I can turn off my camera on Zoom, and then maybe it will cheat and let me. So I just want to show you how Flipgrid works. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you're using, and you can also you don't have to use Flipgrid on the computer. You could also use it on the app. It looks like they're both pretty similar to me. Lots of filters down here to use if you want to use some fancy color filter or be pixelated. I'm not going to do that. You can also type on top of the screen. Whatever you want. I'm going to go and click clear. You can also use emojis, which you can make bigger or smaller. And these, I think you have to put all this stuff on here before you begin a recording. Also do a drawing. I could be wrong about that. No, I think I'm right about that. Then you could add a custom sticker. So you can drop an image or click to upload. So this is where you could add your random picture. If you have a picture on your computer to use, just here's a random picture. Here's a random picture, I think, of my fridge or something. I think I was trying to get a replacement filter. So I could use that as my random picture. I can rotate it. Don't put it in front of your face like this. And then when you're ready to record your video, hit record right here. Now you see at the top right, it says 1:30. That means I have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record this video. So most of the videos, whenever you make the observations, they might not be that short, but they're going to be pretty brief because I want you guys to be able to answer what you have to answer in a relatively short amount of time. So before you record any of these videos, it might be good to know what you're going to say beforehand, or if you need to write down a script, go ahead and do that. So I would click record here, but I've already recorded a response. Well, let's just go ahead and play with it. Just gonna record for a second. Oh, it's gonna give me a countdown. So I'm recording right now. I can record my response right here. Let's pretend I recorded that. Then I would click on next, and then it loops my video over and over and over again. Hit next again, and then it's gonna ask you to take a selfie. So I just took a random selfie there. You can redo the selfie if you don't want to. That's just kind of like as a thumbnail for your video. Oh, and it looks like okay. So now then it asks for the name to display. Go ahead and please type in your name. Your last name would be great as well. And then you'll just hit submit video. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want a second video of me on there. Yes, I do want to leave. Let me go ahead and click on my video, because something cool you can also do is you can reply. So if you guys didn't see that, let me go back here. At the bottom, there's a reply feature, and this will work on the phone too. I didn't show this on my phone tutorial video, but I can send a video reply. And actually, that's one thing I want you guys to do as part of the assignment on Tuesday is to leave a video reply for everybody. Or not, I'm sorry, not everybody, but at least one other person. Leave a video reply saying, oh, that you want to be a nurse too after you graduate, or whatever. Just say something there. So that's the basics of how to use Flipgrid. Again, we're going to do a little more complicated stuff with it later, but right now I just want you guys to have fun with it, introduce yourselves. If you have any questions, please let me know. And please watch those tutorial videos if you need them. So other than that, you guys have a great day.